Hello dear students, I hope you all are healthy and fit at home. Today is in today's class we will cover the remaining questions of exercise 11.2. Okay, so read question number 2 on page number 169. Exercise 11.2 question number 2 on page number 169. Open your textbooks and be ready with your notebook. Question 2 is convert the following into minutes and seconds. What is our task here? Our question is convert the following into minutes and seconds. So, it is very much clear from the question that we will convert into minutes and seconds. We will convert the given seconds into minutes and seconds. So, first of all, I am going to write hint, which we will use to solve these questions. Hint is to convert the number of seconds into minutes and seconds. We divide the given number by 60. We divide the given number by 60. Okay? Hint is to convert seconds to convert minutes into minutes and seconds. Divide the number of seconds by 60. 60. What is the hint? To convert here, what we will do? We will divide the given number by number 60. To solve this question, remember this hint. We will use this hint to solve all the parts of question number 2. Okay? As here, you know that we will divide by number 60. So, we will require the table of 60. So, in rough work, I am writing the table of 60. This portion is for rough work, okay? So I have written the table of 60 as we will require this table to divide numbers. Okay, now we will solve questions. So let me take part A, which is given 320 seconds. 320 seconds. seconds into minutes and seconds. From the question, we will convert 320 seconds into minutes. So to convert, what we will do? We will divide this number by 60. So in solution, we will write, we know that what we know, as we are talking about the seconds, so we know that 60 seconds, we know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute, right? 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. As the given data is in second, so I am writing about the seconds. We know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. In the next line we will write therefore. These 3 dots are the symbol for therefore. Okay, these 3 dots are the symbol of therefore. Therefore, 320 seconds will be equals to 320 divided by 60. Now in rough work we will divide 320 by 60. As our divisor of 2 digits, so we will take first 2 digit of the number. But here first 2 digit of dividend is smaller than divisor. So now we will take the all 3 digit of the number to divide. Now let us check, is 320 comes in the table of 60? 320, no. 320 does not come in the table of 60. But now check, is there any number which is smaller than 320 comes in the table of 60? So yes, smaller than 320 is 300. So in 5 times, when we divide by 60 in 5 times, we get 20 as our answer, right? Now we cannot further divide because 20 is smaller than our divisor, so we cannot further divide and we will stop our division process here. Now the number in the quotient will be your minute and the number in the remainder will be your second. So after division we get, when we divide 320 by 60 we get 5 minutes 20 second. To write second you can write small s. So 320 seconds will be equals to 5 minutes 20 second. This is how we convert seconds into minute. Note down or take the screenshot. Now next part of the question. Okay. Part B given is 515 seconds. Now our task is to convert 550 seconds into minutes and seconds. And as we have a hint And what hint says? Hint says that if you want to convert the seconds into minutes and second, divide the given number by 60. So we know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. In the next line, therefore 515 seconds is equal to 515 divided by 60. Now in rougher, we will divide 515 by number 60. Okay. As divisor is of 2 digits, so we will choose the first 2 digit of our dividend. But after observation, we see that dividend is smaller than divisor, so we cannot divide. So for division, we will take the all 3 digit of our dividend. Okay. Now let us check 515 comes in the table of 60 or not. 515. No, it does not come. This number does not come. So is there any number which is smaller than 550 comes in the table of 60? Yes. Which is 480. It comes in 8 times. So 60 8s are 480. Now subtract both the numbers. 5 minus 0 is 5. 1 minus 8, which is not possible. So we will take borrow. It become 11. This number become 4. 11 minus 8. 3. So 515 minus 480 gives 35 as result. Now the number in the quotient part. The number in the quotient part. What is the number in the quotient? 8. And what is the number in remainder? 35. Okay. So the number in the quotient will be your minute and the number in the remainder will be your seconds. So when we divide 515 by 60, we get 8 minutes 35 second. 8 minutes 35 second as our result. Note it down or take the screenshot. In notebook you will write very systematically and properly. Soon we are going to conduct one more copy correction session in a school. So complete all your notebooks in a good handwriting. Now we will solve the next question. Question number C, in which given minutes are 125 seconds. So given seconds are 125. Now we will convert 125 seconds into minutes and seconds. Okay. So to convert, we have hint, and what hint says? Hint says that to convert seconds into minute, we divide by 60. We divide the given number by 60. Given number is 125. We will divide this number by 60. So solve. Then we will write. We know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. So in the next line, therefore, the symbol is known as therefore. Therefore, 125 seconds is equals to 125 divided by 60. Now in rougher, we will divide 125 by 60. Divide it. So to divide in 2 times we can divide this. 62s are 120, 125 minus 120. 5 will be remainder. 5 is smaller than 60, so we cannot further divide it. So 5 will be our remainder. Here, the number in the quotient part will be your minute and the number in remainder part will be your seconds. So when we divide 125 by 60, my result is 2 minutes 5 seconds. 2 minutes 5 seconds. So 125 seconds are equals to 2 minutes 5 seconds. Take the screenshot of the solution. Take the screenshot. Okay, next part. Part D. Given seconds are 360 seconds. Now we will convert 360 seconds into minutes and seconds. So to convert, what we will do? We will divide the given number by 60. Okay. So we know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. Therefore, 360 seconds is equals to 360 divided by 60. Now in rough work, divide 360 by 60. First of all, check is 360 comes in the table of 60. Yes, it comes in the table of 16 6 times. So 66 are 360. Subtract both. After subtraction, 0 is remainder. So our quotient is 6 and here quotient means minute. So when we divide 360 by 60, we get 6 minutes as a result. So 360 seconds is equals to 6 minutes. Take a screenshot. See, it is very easy to solve. Hint is written on the board. In these questions, if you know division very well, then you can get your answer correctly. So try to practice division of large numbers. Now we will solve part E. Now we will solve part E. For part E, the given seconds are 220 seconds. Now we will convert 220 seconds into minutes and seconds. And from the hint we know that to convert seconds into minutes and seconds, we divide by 60. So for solution we will write, we know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. Therefore, 220 seconds is equals to 220 divided by 60. Now in rough work, divide number 220 by 60. First of all, check does the number 220 comes in the table of 60, 220, 220, 220? No, it does not come. So now we will choose a number which is smaller than 220. So here the number 180 is just smaller than 220, and so in 3 times we can divide it. 63s are 180. Now subtract both the numbers. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 8 is not possible, so we will take borrow. It becomes 12. 12 minus 8 gives 4. As a result, here 1 is left. 1 minus 1 means 0. So remainder is 40. 40 is smaller than the divisor, so we will stop our division process here. Now the number in the quotient is minute, and the number in the remainder will be your seconds. So when we divide 220 by 60, we get 3 minutes 40 seconds. 3 minutes 40 seconds. So 220 seconds are equal to 3 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, now let us solve F. In F, the given number is in question number F. The given numbers is 332 seconds. Now we will convert 332 seconds into minutes and seconds. And to convert the given number, we divide the given number by 60. We remember in each solution you need to write these 2 lines. We know that in solution of question number 2, in each part what you will write, we know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. We know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. Therefore, 332 seconds is equals to 332 divided by 60. Now in rough work, we will divide 332 by 60. Now to divide, first of all check is the number 332 comes in the table of 60. No, 332 does not come in the table of 60. So now check if there any number smaller, just smaller than 330 comes in the table of 60. Yes, which is 300. So 300 comes in 5 times. So 65s are 300. Now subtract 300 from 332. When we subtract, our remainder is 32, which is smaller than division. So we have to stop division here. Now the number in the quotient part will be minute, and the number in the remainder part will be second. So when we divide 332 by 60, our result is 5 minutes 32 seconds. Now one more questions we will solve on this topic. One or two questions we will solve and the remaining will be your homework. Question number G. Question number G. The given number is 624 seconds. 624 seconds. What is our task? Our task is to convert these 624 seconds into minutes and seconds. So to convert, what we do? We divide the given number by 60. So in solution we will write, we know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. In the next line, therefore 624 seconds is equal to 624 divided by 60. Now in rough work, we will divide and get our result. 624 divided by 60. Now, to divide, first of all check, does the number 624 comes in the table of 60? 624, no, it does not come. This number does not come. So now you have to choose a number which is just smaller than 624. So just smaller is 600. So in 10 times, 60 tens are 600, right? So in 10 times we get 600. 60 tens are 600. Now subtract both the numbers. When we subtract them, 24 is remainder. Now this 24 is smaller than our divisor 60. So we will stop our division here. Now you know that the number in division quotient part is known as minute and the number in the remainder part is known as seconds. So when we divide 624 by 60, we get 10 minutes 24 seconds. 10 minutes 24 seconds. Take the screenshot so that later you can write systematically in your copy. Okay, we will solve one more question. That is question number H. The given number is 540 seconds. Now we will convert these 540 seconds into minutes and seconds. So solution, we know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. In the next line, therefore 540 seconds is equals to 540 divided by 60, right? Now what we will do? In rough work, we will divide this number by 60. Arrange both the numbers in standard form of division. Okay, we arrange in standard form of division. Now our number is 540. First of all, we will check is the number 540 comes in the table of 60. So check 540, 540, 540. 540, yes, this number 540 comes in the table of 60. In how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 9 times. So 60 nines are 540. Now subtract both the numbers. 540 minus 540. 0 will be remainder. and the number in the quotient will be your minute. So our result is 9 minutes. So 540 seconds means 9 minutes. If somebody asks you 9 minutes means how many seconds? So 540 seconds. Note down. Take the screenshot. Okay. So I hope you get the concept that how to convert seconds into minutes and seconds. To convert, we divide the given number by 60, right? So I have performed 8 questions for you. Now the remaining questions, remaining 4 questions are your homework. I am writing homework on the board. You will solve these 4 questions by yourself and check your answers from back side of your book. Homework is exercise 11.2, question number 2. I, J, K and L. These 4 are your homework. Solve and check your answer from back side of the book. This question is covered. Now we will cover the remaining questions in next lecture. Till then, complete your work. Bye bye students.